Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of IPv6 and giving you a hands-on configuration guide specifically designed for IT engineers. So if you're ready to upgrade your networking game, let's get started. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Why do we even need IPv6? Well, with the rapid growth of internet-connected devices, the old IPv4 protocol simply couldn't keep up. We were running out of unique IP addresses, causing major network congestion and hindering the growth of the internet. But fear not, IPv6 comes to the rescue with a whopping 340 undecillion IP addresses, enough for every single grain of sand on Earth. Impressive, right? Now let's get down to business. The first step in configuring IPv6 is to enable it on your network devices. This can be done by using the command IPv6 unicast routing on your router. Next, you'll need to assign a global unicast address to each interface on your network. This is done using the IPv6 address command. It's important to note that IPv6 uses a different addressing scheme compared to IPv4, so make sure to familiarize yourself with the new format. Moving on to routing, IPv6 uses a different routing protocol called OSPF-v3. This protocol allows for efficient and scalable routing in a large network. To configure OSPF-v3, you'll need to enable it on your interfaces using the IPv6 OSPF command, and then set up your OSPF-v3 areas and neighbors. Don't worry, we won't get too deep into the technical details, but just remember to always use the IPv6 prefix when configuring anything related to IPv6. Another important aspect of IPv6 is security. With the introduction of IPv6, we also have a new security protocol called IPsec. This protocol provides authentication, confidentiality, and data integrity for our network traffic. To enable IPsec, simply use the IPv6 peepsec command and configure your security policies accordingly. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to configuring IPv6 for IT engineers. But don't just take our word for it. Get hands-on with it yourself and experience the benefits of this powerful protocol. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Stay ahead of the game by subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.